Understanding Annual Giving, a Guide to Philanthropy. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of a common phrase in the English language, annual giving. This term is often used in the context of charitable donations and philanthropy. Whether you're a native speaker looking to expand your vocabulary or an English learner, this video will help you understand what annual giving means and how it's used. Let's dive in. Annual giving refers to the practice of donating money to a particular cause or organization on a yearly basis. This kind of giving is a critical source of funds for many non-profits and charities. It's not just about large sums of money. Even small, regular donations can be considered part of annual giving. This section will explore various aspects of annual giving, including who participates and why it's important. In this part of the video, we'll look at real-world examples of annual giving. This could include donations to universities, hospitals, or environmental causes. By examining these examples, you'll get a clearer picture of how annual giving works and its impact on society. We'll also discuss how these donations are often tax-deductible, providing a financial incentive for donors. Here, we will delve into the significance of annual giving. These donations play a vital role in supporting various initiatives, from educational programs to medical research. We'll highlight how even small contributions can make a big difference when pooled together over time. This section aims to showcase the power of collective action in philanthropy. For those inspired to contribute, this section will guide you on how to get involved in annual giving. We'll provide tips on choosing the right organization, understanding how your donations are used, and setting up a regular giving plan. This part of the video is particularly useful for viewers who want to start their philanthropic journey. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of annual giving and its importance in supporting various causes. Remember, every contribution, no matter the size, counts and can make a significant impact. Thank you for watching, and we encourage you to consider participating in annual giving to make a difference in the world. See you in our next video.